To remove a credit card from your DHgate account, follow these steps. On the DHgate website, log into your DHgate account. Open a web browser and go to the DHgate website. Log in with your account credentials. Go to Account. In the top right corner, hover over your profile icon and select Account from the drop-down menu. Navigate to Payment Methods. In the Account section, find and click on Payment Methods to see all the payment methods you have saved. Manage Payment Methods. You should see a list of saved credit cards or payment options. Look for the credit card you want to remove. Delete the credit card. Next to the credit card you wish to remove, click on the Delete button or Remove option. Confirm removal. Confirm the removal when prompted. Your credit card will be removed from your DHgate account. Open the DHgate mobile app. Open the app. Launch the DHgate mobile app. Go to Account. Tap the account icon at the bottom right. Manage Payment Methods. Go to Payment Methods and tap the credit card you wish to remove. Remove credit card. Tap Remove or Delete and confirm the action.